Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ellie. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please feel free to subscribe. Today I have another mini haul video. I purchased some items from Nordstrom, anniversary sale, Amazon, and one item from Macys. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with Macys first because it was only one item. So I love anything that has glitter, anything that has bling. That's just me. I like to be out there like that. So when I saw these sandals at Macys, I was like, yes, please. Aren't these so cute? I would recommend for you to size up on these because I'm usually a size 6.5 and I went with the 7 and they fit really nice. So yeah, they're super cute. You should see the way they shine outside with the sunlight. It's just crazy and I love them. Okay, now I'm gonna jump in to Amazon because I've been trying some of these items for a while now and I absolutely love them. So I purchased this little bakey, I don't know, bakey, I don't know. I'll post the link down below. So I'm always in the lookout for inexpensive beauty blenders or beauty sponges, whatever you want to call them. I always call them beauty blenders, even though it's not the brand. Beauty blender, beauty sponge. You know what I mean? I don't know, confusing. But yeah, so this is how they look like when they're dry. And this is what they look like when they're wet. I know it's a big difference. So, they're super squishy though. Like super, super squishy. I have I think I have it with me. Yeah. I have the Morphe beauty sponge, which is this one right here. And I really, really, really hate it. I know everybody brags about it and they say how good it is, but it's so stiff. And I feel like it doesn't blend my makeup well. I know it's inexpensive, which that's why I still have it and I still try to use it. But it's very stiff. This one, on the other hand, is super squishy. And I love the way it applies my full coverage foundation and my full coverage concealer because it doesn't like soak it in. It actually gives me a full coverage. And it's very, 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 very squishy. I keep saying that, it's very, very squishy. But it is, it's very soft. And it was 4 beauty sponges. I don't know where the other one went. But it's 4 beauty sponges and a brush, which I don't have with me because I don't know where I left it at. For $9. Like, you definitely need these. Like, look at this. Squishy, 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 squishy. And like I said, they were only $9.99. And they work wonders. I love this sponge for my Tarte concealer because it's very thick. And I was having issues with my beauty blender, like soaking it in. So it wasn't as full coverage as I wanted to. But this works wonders. So I will be posting the link, of course, down below for all these items, but these are a must. And for the price, I mean, heck, you get 4 beauty sponges and a brush, which I haven't used a brush because I don't care for the brush. But anyways, okay, the next item from Amazon that I bought is this vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is usually good for anti-aging, you know, for collagen. And, you know, it works good against the UV rays from the sun and whatnot. But for me, the vitamin C has done wonders for my acne-prone skin. Like, I know you can't see it because I wear a lot of makeup, but I had a lot of acne, like spots for me, like, you know, messing with my pimples and stuff. So I had kind of like scars, I guess if you want to call it. And I had some pigmentation issues in my face. I had some like white spots around my mouth for some reason. And I'm very acne prone, like very, very acne prone. I guess because I'm very oily and whatnot. And I had really big pores. That was the main thing, or the first way that I noticed this was working. Because I was applying my L'Oreal Infallible Matte Foundation and I realized that I couldn't see my pores. And I was like staring at them like, what the hell? Because you could usually see the pores around my cheek. especially after I put my concealer on, which like I said, I used the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and it's very thick, so you could definitely see like my big pores around my cheeks. And after 2 weeks of using this, I noticed that you couldn't see those anymore, and that I didn't have acne, and the discoloration around my mouth was fading. Of course, it's not completely gone. Like, my pores are not completely gone, but they're like tiny, tiny compared to the big ass pores that I used to have. So this is definitely a must. And I feel very comfortable just being like, you know, bare skin, and I don't feel as self-conscious as I used to because of my acne and the discoloration around my mouth, and of course my big pores. Like, this has done wonders, and it was only $17. I made another order of this vitamin C because I'm almost done. But yeah, if you're gonna buy anything, please try this, especially if you're acne prone. I don't know about the anti-aging because I don't have wrinkles yet, but definitely for large pores, this is a must, and for acne and discoloration. So yeah, and the next item is very random, but if you're going on a trip on your favorite rocket ship, I don't even know if that's how the song goes, but this is a must. This is how you air it out. It's this little squishy thing, and you just squish, 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 squish. Okay, this is gonna take too long, but anyways, you get the gist. This is how you air it up. It's a neck pillow. It's really comfortable. It's really soft. You could air it as much as you want. You know what I mean? But yeah, super cute, easy to let the air out. You just stick your finger inside the hole. No, you just stick your finger inside the hole, and it's good. And I like that it has the little cat ears. It came with this little bag and this little like eye cover sleeping mask thingy, and it was only $19. So if you're going on a trip, I definitely recommend this because I'm always trying to take a nap, but my neck always hurts. Always. So we're going to jump into the Nordstrom sale real quick because they have a lot of good items. A lot of my items are not here yet because, you know, shipping's a little slow due to it being a sale. But I do have, you know, some items with me. So I'm going to jump in to these cute booties from Sam Elderman. I believe that's how you pronounce it. If that's not how you pronounce it, my bad. So yeah. These are super cute. I love the way they look. I've been needing some booties, and this is just something I didn't have in my closet. The original price is $169.95, and I got them for $99.90, which is a really good price. And like I said, I love the color. They're super cute. Okay, the next item is a leather jacket. It's not really a leather jacket. I don't know how you call it. Bow jacket? I don't know. But I'm sure you've seen this going around on Instagram. Is the BLANKNYC leather jacket. It's kind of cropped, which I like. I like the gold copper details. You know, super pretty. The only thing I would say is that the sleeves are very long, but I don't mind it. It's very cute. I got this for $68, and the original price is $98, which is a pretty good price. Plus, I needed a leather jacket. Super cute, super soft. I love it. It's definitely a must. If you're going to purchase anything from this sale, that leather jacket will be like, you know, top of my list for you to purchase. And the Sam Elderman booties. I purchased some items that I've returned already, which sucked because I couldn't show them. But I think I have some pictures of them, so I'll post them at the end of this video so you could see the ones that didn't work out for me because they were really bad. So the last two items are scarves. I love leopard print, cheetah print, whatever you want to call it. Super cute. I totally die for some leopard print. This one was like $11, I believe, and I love the print. Super pretty. This next one is my complete and absolute favorite. It's a reversible scarf. I love BP's reversible scarves. They're just, I don't know. They always come up with like cool patterns to mix. And I totally love this. It's a lot thicker and big than your usual scarves, but they're definitely a must. So yeah, and I believe this was like $19. Like I said, I'm gonna post the links down below. Don't be discouraged if Nordstrom has some of these items out of stock. They usually bring them in stock, you know, throughout the day, so just keep your eyes on it. More than likely, like I said, they're gonna bring them back in stock. So I will see you in my next video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please feel free to subscribe.